Hi, I'm Varnaz. Welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which is positively a life-changing moment for you. I'm going to show you all in one video how to make batter fried fish, vegetable tempura, the Indian pakora, and anything and everything that you need to deep fry. But I'm going to use a secret ingredient. So watch out for my video. Don't stop watching. You're going to just love this. So as always, let's get cooking. So let's begin with the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Here's my secret ingredient: whey protein powder, unflavored. Next we'll need some salt. I've used pink Himalayan salt. Some garlic powder. I'm using oregano today. Some onion powder, 1 egg, so now you'll need a plastic container, and that's my salmon, which I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. And I'm also going to batter fry some cauliflower, which I've kept in the microwave for 4-5 minutes, so they become like parboiled. So I'm going to make some cauliflower tempura or cauliflower pakoras also. And next we have some spinach leaves. Just see that they're clean, and we'll use that also as spinach pakoras or spinach tempura. So we begin with our whey protein powder, unflavored, and I begin by putting in maybe 4 to 5 spoons to begin with, 4 to 5 teaspoons, sorry. And it depends on the amount of mixture, things that you're going to batter fry. So you can go more or less according to how much you think. In goes the salt according to your taste. And next we have some onion powder, again according to your taste, as much as you like or as little as you like. And then we'll put some garlic powder. I truly feel this enhances the taste of the tempura as well as the fish and the pakoras. And I'm going to also add some chili flakes. This is if you want it to be just slightly spicy, not too much, but this is optional. If you don't want to put it, please don't. And now we'll give this all a good mix. And that's our dry mixture ready. And you can put whatever you like, some thyme, rosemary. For pakoras, you want to put some cumin powder, some garam masala, whatever you like. Go crazy. I felt it was a little less whey protein powder for all that I'm going to be batter frying, so I've added 2 teaspoons more. And you'll see how much I'll be batter frying. So about 6 teaspoons goes a long way in this. So now in the other container, I'm going to break 1 egg. Oops, as usual, a little of the shell. I've pulled that out. And what I'm going to do is just give this egg a little bit of a whisk. No need to fluff it up too much, just like it's going to be used almost like a egg wash for all the things you're going to batter fry. And
Now I'm putting in the salmon and the cauliflower. I dip it in the egg and then I throw it into and I'm going to put some spinach also in the same way, all in and into the whey protein powder. Good way is that this is the way to do it, is that you shut the box and give it a good mix, whatever you're putting into it. That way everything gets coated really well, whether it's the fish, cauliflower or whatever you put in. You can even do chicken nuggets like this. And now we are ready. This is what everything looks like, all coated. Now we are going to deep fry this, and I'm just checking if it's warm enough. I'll wait for it to get a little hot. And you can also, if you don't have a deep fryer, please feel free to do this over a stove top. Fill your container with some oil. I have a little basket in this, so it's really nice. It's what people use for French fries and anything actually that you want to fry. But on your stove top, you just fill it up with a little bit of oil, and you do the same as the deep fryer. So now that the oil is hot, I'm going to throw in my pieces. I'm beginning with the salmon, and I'll push them all in. And they don't take more than 2 to 3 minutes to make. That's the amazing part. The fish as well as the batter cooks to a beautiful even golden brown. I promise you, this is going to be a life changer for you. It's been for me. The whey protein is unflavored, so it does nothing but gives you that fluffy, crispy batter, just like when you have normal fried fish. But that's full of dirty carbs. So I'm going to shut this and let it deep fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. So there we have it. Look at that, crispy, more crisp than you can even begin to imagine. Try this. It's going to be a life-changing moment for you. Now in go the rest of my vegetables to make into a tempura or the Indian pakora. You can use all assortment of vegetables. You can put okra, you can put brinjal, eggplant as they call it in other places. You can put all the vegetables that are allowed on the low carb and keto way. Just feel free to put them in along with your lovely whey protein powder batter. And here we have it. Look at that, crispy, golden brown. What more could I ask for from my meal tonight? I felt it needs maybe 15-20 seconds more in the air fryer, and so I put them in, and that's it. Here we have it. Oh my God, this is perfection. Whoa, whoa.
Okay, so here we have it, and here's the taste test. I'm going to actually break open these and show them to you. First, let me show you my plate. Isn't that amazing? I'm just miffed. I can't believe that everything batter fried is a reality for me and you from now on. So this is one of the pieces of the salmon that I deep fried. So I've got a little bit of garlic sauce, and I'm going to take a bite. Just see that. Absolutely amazing. Now, let me try another piece, which was the spinach. This can be spinach tempura or even the Indian pakora. There you go. I want to show you how crispy and crunchy it is. I mean, I've got a bit of mint and coriander chutney, and I'm going to take a bite with that. Oh my God. I'm going to be eating this whole plate because I've just come back from my swim, and can you imagine? I'm getting my spinach, I'm getting my cauliflower, I'm getting some fish, and this whole plate is my dinner tonight. So, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell, and also join me on Facebook with the same name, Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I look forward to many more videos and many more recipes. And like I said, I'm like a mad scientist at play. I love to create new recipes and to see that we get to eat all the carby food but with a twist. So thank you for watching, and wait for my next video. Bye then. See you.